Identifying the value stream, the sequence of activities required to design, produce, or provide goods and services to customers, is a beneficial practice for any company. The value stream map can help your organization get a better sense of your business and how it works, adding clarity and efficiency to your business processes. A value stream map is made up of a process map, a corresponding timeline, and information flow. The process map is comprised of the steps and the information associated with the steps of your process. The timeline calculates the data entered. The information flow further explains the interaction and activity between the stations of your value chain. When you open a value stream map, you're started off with a couple of process steps in the timeline. To add more process steps, just click right or left here in the Smart panel, use these action buttons, or press Control or the right or left arrow keys on your keyboard. You can add inventory symbols between each step to indicate the kind of action taking place. You can also add identifiers, like the warning of a quality problem, or a signal Kanban, which notifies processes upstream that the inventory levels are down to a minimum. Continue to enter your data into the process map in the timeline. The summary box at the end of the timeline calculates the value added time and lead time. This makes it easy to see how each step and element of your process affects the final output, so you can identify problem areas and make improvements. From here, it's easy to customize and further explain your process by adding symbols from the Smart panel and building your information flow. Everything easily lines up and connects. Symbols indicating things like production control, weekly schedules, electronic and manual flow gives the flow of information in your value stream map context and clarity. The completed value stream map will provide an informative, easy to understand summary of your value chain. A very powerful visual that you can make quickly and easily with SmartDraw.